we can use the mobile app EasyPower for energy management of the EZHi system. In direct connection mode, there are two ways to connect the app with the device. The first is the scan method. To start, click the Direct Connect and Connect Device button, and then click the Scan button to scan the barcode of the inverter ID for connection. The second method is Bluetooth searching. Next, select the device from the list of Bluetooth devices to establish a connection. Select the Wi-Fi to connect. After establishing a Wi-Fi connection, the device will be able to access remote services. Users can view the real-time power generation, operating benefits, and working status of the currently connected device.